So my name's Claire Schofield and I'm the Director of the Business School, and we're hosting this evening's lecture from the Chartered Institute of Marketing. We're absolutely thrilled that the University of Wolverhampton have a partnership that works so well with the CIM. We're delighted that our staff and students have the opportunity to listen to Dave and hear his smart insights, and we're looking forward to all being together and hearing from him and learning all about digital marketing and the future trends. So looking forward to it tonight.
Looking forward to speaking tonight in the Business School at the University of Wolverhampton. I hear we've got a packed auditorium and a nice mix of students from the Business School and also Chartered Institute of Marketing members and students as well. So my specialism is digital marketing, and I'll be looking at the latest trends in digital into 2020 and beyond. And we're looking at data-driven marketing, how we can get closer to our customers by using the great tools that are available to us. I think we've also got a Q&A at the end, so it'll be interesting to hear some of the debates around privacy there also. So that's what we're covering.